Right here in this video, I will show you how you can get a $500 no deposit bonus that you can start trading with. All right, and I will also mention the terms and conditions required for you to be able to withdraw from it. As you can see right here, I've gotten mine and I'm already trading with it right here, showing on the screen. All right, so all you just have to do to be able to get this particular bonus is to make sure you follow me closely to the end of this particular video, so that you'll be able to get how you can get this particular no deposit bonus to your advantage. As you can see right here, I've been able to get mine, like I said, and I'm already trading with it, showing right here on the screen. All right, so I'll also be mentioning the terms and conditions required for you to be able to withdraw from this particular no deposit bonus, so that you can know that you can actually make money from no deposit bonuses. All right, now for your information, this is a live account. It's not a demo account. It's a live account that you can trade and you can also withdraw from. All right, so this is my Telegram channel right here, and as you can see, I've dropped this particular update for my guys since yesterday, August 25. All right, and they are already getting ready to get this particular bonus. All right, this is why I told you guys to join my Telegram channel, so that you'll be the first to know when I am about to drop this particular update. All right, now for you guys to be able to join my Telegram channel, all you have to do is to check the description and you'll find the link there. Click on the link and you'll be able to join my Telegram channel. All right, so that you won't be missing out on this wonderful opportunity I'm sharing with you, because by the time this video is getting to you, they might have actually ended the video. All right, there's no 100% guarantee that the bonus will still be available for you when you are seeing this particular video. So for you not to be missing out on updates like this, make sure you join my Telegram channel. All right, so that you'll be the first to know. All right, and also ensure you like this video, and you also comment the country where you're watching from, and also you share it with people that you feel might need it. All right, traders like you that you feel might need it, share it with them. And after doing that, then make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. All right, and after subscribing, then turn on your notification button so that you won't miss out when I drop videos relating to how you can make money online in 2025, and so that you'll be the first to be notified when I drop these particular videos. All right, now if you have done that, thank you very much. You are the reason why I am dropping this video, and thank you for keeping me motivated. All right, now proceeding to how you can get this particular opportunity, this $500 no deposit bonus. The link will be in the description, the link to get this particular bonus. When you click on the link, it's going to direct you to my Telegram channel like this, and you find something like this in my Telegram channel. All right, you find this, claim it right here. All right, you click on claim now, and after clicking on claim now, it's going to direct you to their site. All right, and this is what their site looks like right here. All right, now don't mind this $1,000 startup no deposit bonus, don't mind it. We are getting a $500 no deposit bonus, note that. All right, now you have to input your email right here to proceed. All right, after inputting your email, and I want you to make sure you watch this video to the very end, because I will be talking about the terms and conditions towards the end of this video, and so that you won't miss out on little details about this video, because before I was able to get this particular bonus, it took a while. All right, so I don't want you to make the same mistake that you won't be able to get the bonus and you come to my DM and be telling me you are not able to get the bonus. So ensure you watch this video carefully and watch it to the very end. All right, everything you need to know about how you can get this particular bonus is in this video. All right, so just make sure you patiently watch it, and you make sure you watch it to the very end. All right, so input your email right here. All right, I'm going to do this right now, and I will get back to the video. So after inputting your email and clicking on get bonus, then it's going to direct you right here, where you have to input your details. You know the drill: your full name, your phone number, country, state, and city. Now you can ignore this Facebook link and this Skype link right here. You can ignore it, and you can choose to put it there as well. All right, it's your choice. All right, so after inputting all the details, then you click on get bonus again. All right, now I'm going to do this right now, and I'll get back to the video as well. All right, so as you can see right here, we congratulate you on the registration of a trading account. All right, so the next thing to do is to head over to our email. All right, so they have sent the confirmation of crediting the bonus to our email. We just have to head over right there right now and get our account details. All right, and proceed to the next step of getting this particular no deposit bonus. All right, And if you scroll down a little bit from this page right here, you will see your trader account ID and your login password right there. All right, and if you can't find it right here, head over to your email. You see the confirmation right there. All right, now let's head over to our email and let me show you how you can log into your trading account and start trading. All right, and note, so this is the mail I got from them. And note, you can only trade with MT4 trading app. All right, you can only log in with MT4 trading app, which means you can only trade this particular no deposit bonus on MT4 alone. All right, so make sure you have an MT4 app before you say you want to start trading this Forex no deposit bonus 2025. All right, this particular no deposit bonus, before you say you want to start trading, make sure you have an MT4 app. All right, so after getting your login ID, all right, now let me show you how you can log into your MT4 app. All right, it is quite simple to log into your MT4 app, but before I continue, ensure you like this video like I said earlier, and subscribe, all right, and turn on your notification button and comment the country where you're watching from, so that I can keep making videos for your country. All right, and make sure you still watch this video to the very end, because I was talking about the terms and conditions towards the end of this video. All right, so patiently watch this video. All right, now how to log into your MT4 account. Like I said, it's very simple. So to log into your MT4 rather, it's very simple. All right, like I told you, we are going to be using MT4 as the server, as the account type right here. As you can see, MT4 is what we are going to be using to trade. All right, so to log in is very simple. To your MT4 is very simple. Just head over to your MT4, and if you don't have an MT4 app, go to Google Play Store or App Store to get one. All right, now after downloading your MT4, all right, all you just have to do, this is the email I got from them, which contains my account ID and my account password that I'm going to use to log in. All right, so this right here is my account number, account ID, and my trader's password, which is my account password. All right, I have loaded that for security reasons, so you just have to copy this, the two right here. After copying it, and head over to your MT4 like I said, and input your details. All right, and make sure you don't forget to check the server name. As you can see, the server name for this one is instafinancesingapore.com. all right, so let's head over to our MT4 right now. So this is me after opening my MT4. This is my MT4 right here. All right, so this is all I have to do. Just click on this menu button showing right here, click on it, and after clicking on it, then you click on manage account, and you click on this plus button right here at the top. Click on the plus button, and you click on log into an existing account, and right here you have to find the broker name, all right, which is also the server name that I told you the other time. So let's search for the broker name, which is InstaForex. All right, InstaForex. All right, so InstaForex, we have to search for instaforexsingapore.com. as you can see right here, this is it right here, InstaForex Singapore. Then you have to input your login ID right here and your trader password right here. All right, I'm going to do mine right now, and I will get back to the video very quickly. All right, so after inputting it, all you have to do is to click on sign in right here, and if you want to save your password, then you can click on save password right here, and you click on sign in, and you wait patiently for it to load. All right, so you just have to wait for some time for it to load after clicking on sign in. All right, so as you can see right here, it's currently loading. You just have to wait for some time for it to load. All right, and as you can see right here, boom, our $500 is in our account already, and we can start trading with it. All right, as you can see, we can start trading with it. All right, you can start placing trade on it. So this is how you can get your $500 no deposit bonus that you can start trading with. All right, so I hope you're able to get this. Now, before proceeding to talking about the terms and conditions required to be able to withdraw from this particular bonus, all right, ensure you like this video and you comment the country where you're watching from, so that I can keep making videos for your country. All right, and note, this particular bonus is for all countries, so no matter the country where you are from, you can be able to get this particular bonus. All right, and now talking about I'm now talking about the terms and conditions for you to be able to withdraw from this particular bonus. I'll be dropping it in my Telegram channel, so for you to be able to get it, just make sure you're in my Telegram channel. I'll be dropping the terms and conditions right there, so that you won't miss out on this wonderful update. All right, and if you have done that, then good luck to you. All right, I hope you're able to withdraw from this particular bonus and start your Forex journey through this particular bonus. All right, thank you so very much for watching. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and most importantly, subscribe to this YouTube channel, so that you would keep on getting updates from me when I drop videos relating to how you can make money online in 2025. All right, and also make sure you join my Telegram channel. Thank you for watching, and have a nice day.